Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam. وَمِنَ الْإِبِلِ اثْنَيْنِ وَمِنَ الْبَقَرِ اثْنَيْنِ قُلْ أَذَّكَرَيْنِ حَرَّمَ أَمِ الْأُنْثَيَيْنِ أَمَّا اشْتَمَلَتْ عَلَيْهِ أَرْحَامُ الْأُنْثَيَيْنِ أَمْ كُنْتُمْ شُهَدَاءَ إِذْ وَصَّاكُمُ اللَّهُ بِهَذَا ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا ليضل الناس بغير علم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين. Translation: And of the camels two, and two of cows. Say, has he forbidden the two males or two females, or that two females carry in their wombs? Or were you witness when Allah commanded with this to you? So, who is more unjust than him who forges a lie against Allah, that he may lead astray or misguide the people without knowledge? Indeed, Allah does not guide the wrongdoing and unjust people. In the previous ayah, we studied about the polytheist of Mecca that had claimed many things in their religion, and they were making those things by themselves under the influence of the waswasa and thoughts of the devils. And they used to say that these are the customs or requirements of the religion. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking them about the bigger cattle, about the camels and the cows, that Allah has created two of the male and female camels and two of the male and female cows. And Allah is asking, have Allah made the males haram or females? Or if Allah made haram the babies that are in the wombs of these animals, these things are man-made and they don't have any reference or any proof. Only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has the right to make anything halal or anything haram. And the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell this to the people is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends the messengers, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends the book, and the messenger explained the books to the people, and the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala come to the people that way. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives wahi or the revelation to the prophets, and the prophet tell the people about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking these polytheists and these mushriks and kafirs, that did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tell you these? So from where did you guys bring these lies? And you are forging lies against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the biggest sin. And if somebody is forging a lie against any human, it is a big sin as well. But there are much more higher in the sins that they are forging these lies against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And by forging these lies, what they are doing is they are making those people that have no knowledge more astray, and they are pushing them in the sins. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not guide the transgressors, the zalimeen, and people like that. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and save us from all the sins. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.